We operate more than 100,000 solar-powered license plate reading cameras throughout the U.S. My name is Adam Snow. I'm on the product team at flocksafety, focusing on our transportation product line. So we're a safety technology company. We're most known for our work with law enforcement agencies. We work with around 6,000 agencies across the U.S. that are using cameras, using software to solve crime. But with that large camera network, there's a lot of opportunities for transportation agencies to partner with their public safety counterparts to pull data from those existing devices. So the cameras, they use video-based AI to analyze the field of view and generate the right kind of information for the right kind of people. And what's great about video AI is that you can run that AI model on that underlying video and send that information to the right authorities who are responsible for responding to that kind of incident. Public safety agencies are using those to solve crime, but DOTs can do things like real-time roadway conditions. Is traffic moving? Is there something on the roadway? Do things like traffic data collection. How many vehicles are passing this camera? How fast are they driving? Do we need to use that information for infrastructure improvement projects or respond to incidents in real time? Yeah, when you think about safety, traffic safety, one of the key pillars is post-crash care. You know, what happens after an incident happens? Can you get the right care there quickly? And oftentimes from a 911 call, it might be delayed before you get that insight, and it might be incomplete. Really the best way to get that insight is to have live video of what's happening. So our drone first responder is essentially an unmanned aerial system that's forward deployed, maybe at a fire department or at a materials depot, ready to go at any moment's notice. So whenever someone calls 911 or there's a car crash reported via sensor, with one press of the button, someone from a traffic management center or someone from a law enforcement agency can instantly launch that drone, fly to that call for service, and get eyes on the scene immediately. So we call it a drone as a first responder because it's often much easier to get to a scene, via the air and relay that situational awareness back to the boots on the ground who are on their way. With Flock, we see such a powerful network of cities and counties and state agencies sharing information on a platform. What most transportation agencies don't realize is that there are already thousands of cameras deployed in their states, in their cities, in their counties that are being used for other purposes, where you might be able to collaborate, share those data feeds, and do more with the limited funding that you have.